Hi, yes. Next topic, data tab. There, what if analysis menu. There, data table. I am explaining this video data table in MS Excel using formulas. See here, I am taking one financial table. Here, one person take the 1,25,000. Interest in 2%. How many months is there? 26 months. Now, monthly interest how much? In the 2% amount is percentage is taken, but monthly interest how much amount is paid? How to got it? See here. B1 means amount. Okay, amount into B2 means 2%. Okay, B1 means 1 means here 1. B2 means percentage. If both are multiplication, you got the monthly interest. How much is there? 2,500. This is the monthly interest. Next, months. How many months is there? 26 months. How many months is there? 26 months. 26 months. In each month is 2,500. 26 months. How much amount is there? Now, see here. B3 means how many months? In how many months? 26 months into monthly interest how much is there? 2,500. Okay, we both are multiplied. You got the monthly interest. In the 26 months how much amount is paid? Okay, next. This is the final amount. Final amount is formula is amount. These all are formulas, sir. Okay, amount plus total month's interest. Both are adding. You got the final amount. See here. B1 means 1,25,000. Take the amount now. That amount is plus C3 means how much interest in pay to the monthly wise. That both are adding. You got the final amount. In the three formulas I given to the at a time. How is it? Okay, the three are different types, differently taking on that you got the money here. But here in this money, one table how to given that. See here is equal to open bracket. What is the formula? Amount. What is that? Plus. What is that? Plus. Here, in this formula, this one. This is the formula, sir, 3. This formula in this one. Amount into, not a plus, into means shift 8. Okay. Into means shift 8. After interest, how much interest? 2%. Again, close the bracket. After months, how many months? 26. Into 26 plus amount. This is the months. How many months plus amount? These are amount into interest into months in plus amount. This got the directly given to the same formula is given to the directly here. It's same amount got here. Okay. And plus amount. Amount of how much? This one. Click enter. Same. In the 3 times you using these formulas at a time using same formula. That is that. Now I am taking another table. In this table means see here. This is financial table. Already take this one here. Same table using the data table. How to got the easily. Okay. This one how to comes. See here. Here ABC is then AB is means the orientation type. This selected after home. Click home. Their orientation given to the marks. Okay. turn the month. Okay, turn the month. This means orientations. Angles means, okay. Next, rotate it. Now and cut it. How to got it again? See here, I am given to the 75,000 1%. It means all members are taken to the 26 months. No, why? Different person, different months is paid to the interest. 1% 14, 1% 18, 22, 26, 34, 38, different. Some members are 54 months also not paid to the any interest on there. You pay to every time in the 54 months after. Okay. Okay, these all are different amounts. These are all financial amounts. These are all financial amount in different amounts. Different persons are taken to the different months. Okay, these are all amount. Amount is displayed here. How to come see here? A home, you know the mail merge center. After merge center, this came. Okay, extension on this here to here. Next, this one is the months. Okay, this one is the months. How to go to it? Tell na home and orientation there, rotation up or down, and center anyone. Okay, angle, what is that? Angle. Okay, this is all months. These are all the months. These are all the amount. Here this is different amounts is taken different persons, and different months is paid to the different persons. Okay, next, how to in this one, how to come to here? See here, these are all deleted. How to come? I'm explain again. Okay, yes, 75,000 in 1 lakh. Both differentiation maintained to the fill handle, using the fill handle, dragging this. Okay, see here, I'm given to two numbers. After this is the black one is the fill handle. What is this? Fill handle. You just drag it, all comes to automatically. In the both first one given to the how much of differences of both numbers, that both numbers differentiation maintained to the all members. Okay, all numbers. Next, here also same. See here, I'm deleted. Here I am given to the 14. Next I am given to the 18. Okay, both are maintained to all months are fill handle, using fill handle months. So these all are months, these all are the amounts. Now click the data menu. There click to the what if analysis. Okay, this before, in this one before, you select here financial amount already given to the one, this one formula. In the same formula attempt to the all one. Okay, not again to the I'm not again not given to the, not entered to the formula. Okay, now selected, that is correctly selected, one not up, one not down, correctly selected. Now went to the data menu. There selected what if analysis. There selected data table. Here data table. Row input cells what is, column input cells what. This data table clicking after one dialog box came. There rows given what, columns given what, which is the rows, which is the columns. Here, yes, rows means these are all amounts. Rows means amount. Columns means all are given to the months. If they was one per different persons are different months, you pay to the financial. It is not all members not pay to the 26 months. Okay, these columns are given to the months, rows given to the amount. So I selected that. I click here. What is that amounts? Rows. Next, click here. What is that? Months. After click OK. directly comes to the data table. Okay, once you observe here, in the 26 months already I am table given here, no, same table same number given here, 26 months in 1,25,000, how much is amount is there? 19,000. Same compared to both, compared to the both. This is the useful of the data table. And another table is there. This is another one, another example I am given. Okay, I am taken to the pens in the 45 pens. Okay, I am taken to the pens in 45. Each pens cost 5 rupees. Each pens cost 5 rupees. Total bill how to come? 45 into 5. Okay, see here, B1 into B2. B1 is what? 45. B2 is the 5 rupees. See. Okay, this is called a 225. Now these are all amounts, these are all the rates. Each pen cost this one. These are all pens. How many pens you taken that? Okay, I am given to here 15 and 20. After selected both cells, drag the fill handle. These all are the pens. These are all the each pen's cost. Each pen's cost 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupees pens, 4 rupees pens, 10 rupees pens, 12 rupees pens. Different pens cost is there. These are all the pens. Okay. Now using to the data table, how to got the amount? First you selected. First step is the selected all the correct way in the vertically and horizontally. Don't an extra one vertically and horizontally. Okay, now selected. After second step, click data menu. There select, click the what if analysis. There click data table. First, what is the row? This pens. What is the row? Pens is row. Okay, click here, click the pens. What is the column? Each pen's cost. Okay, now click OK. This is the data table. Understood all of you? Anyone, any doubts is there? Comment section, comment for that. Useful of the data table, very useful that. Okay, anyone first time you saw the my channel, please subscribe and click bell icon and click like also. Thank you.